If you want to enhance your security by removing old devices from your Wells Fargo account settings, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Security section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Manage Devices. In the Security Settings, look for an option that says Manage Devices or Trusted Devices. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select Old Devices. Review the list of devices. Identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Select the devices you wish to remove from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the old devices, look for a confirmation button or link to remove them. Click it and follow any prompts to finalize the removal process. By following these steps, you can effectively remove old devices from your Wells Fargo security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly checking your device list is a good practice to maintain your online safety.